Here you have the paper accents, guys. Those are $1. And so you have that kind. And then you have the mermaid. Oh, look at her. She's beautiful. They come in all ethnicities. I think that's absolutely gorgeous, guys. Look at that. Okay, I think that's pretty much it. Let me see what this blue one is back here. Some more mermaids. Okay, that, guys, is $1. Then they have these name tags. These name tags are so cute. I don't think I've seen the name tags anywhere. These guys are $1. Okay, and they come in all different kinds. Look at that one. It says pizza, the rainbow, the dinosaur. I love those. $1. I may get some of those, guys. Then they have the adhesive pockets. Okay, you can use these to label your bins. And look at those. It says my name is. That's adorable. Those guys are $1. These are the name plates. Those are so cute. Then they have these. So they have the clip with the clipboards. Okay, and then they have those binder clips. And they have the clips in the white and in the black. Then they have these seat markers. These are really nice, guys. I haven't seen these anywhere. These are adorable, guys. And then they have the dry erase markers. So those are $1. Okay, they come in a pack of 2. And then they have these are erasers. Okay, now down here, guys, look at this. It says all about me. 8 sheets and 16 pages. Okay, the 8 count. Then they have the pocket. Look at this. This is adorable. The dry erase pocket. I love that. So those come in multicolor. Then you have these decorating border bulletins. This is the crayon, and that's the polka dot. This is the alphabet. Guys, they have so many kinds. Look at the light bulb and the stars. How nice. And the alphabet. And then over here, what are these? So these are the arrows. These are the pointers. What is this one? The red one is also a pointer. Okay, that's pretty neat. And then they have some more of these name tags. And then these are the months, guys, and the days. Isn't that adorable? English and Spanish. Isn't that nice? The calendar cards. My name is, with the plastic lanyards. I like these. Those are $3. I like those pocket lanyards. So they come in that green and they come in the black. And these are adhesive, also adhesive pockets. Those are $3. And then they have these. So this is the full steam ahead. What are those? Those are books. This is punched letters in the colors. Look at this. I love those pastels. So then they have the all white, and then they have the all black. I like the pastels. That's a nice change though. Then they have the journals right here, guys. So these things right here are $3. And then look at these for $1. I love this activity mat. It looks like a note paper. That is so cute for $1. Guys, I think I'm gonna buy a couple of these. These make good workstations. Look how huge that is. And then they have one of the US. Isn't that nice? Then they have these dry erase boards. So those are $1 also. Guys, that's pretty neat. Then over here it says allergy friendly zone. Okay, so guys, these are $1. We have these. What are these? These are reward certificates. Okay, so looks like they have the one for the spaceship one. They have that one in the cone that says happy birthday. Coupons. Oh, look on the coupons. Those are really cute idea. Then they have these pencils here. These are $1, and those are $1 also, those certificates. So you have the pencils in all kinds. Isn't that adorable? This is the math and the rainbow. Those are nice. So then over here you have the sticker book. So guys, they have the letters and the circles. What else do they have in there? Okay, those are really nice, guys. I don't want to knock them down. Then here's some bookmarkers. Those are $1. And look at the coupons I was talking to you. Get out of homework coupon. Award too. I love that. Then they have these little containers right here. So guys, these are $1. And then they have this one right here. And then they have the markers, the peanuts. Those are $1. And look, they have the Little Mermaid mini blank books. And here it is with the pizza and the rainbow. Let's see. It's like a 2-pack. The pizza and the rainbow, and then this one is the octopus and the mermaid. And here's some more notebooks. Then down here you have the desktop buzzer. I don't think that's a good idea. Desktop buzzer, and then this is the tap light. Those are $3, guys. And these are the bounce balls. These are nice, guys. These are make nice party stuffers for treat bags. Look at this. They have the mini slime. Okay, these are $3 a pack. Then they have the erasers, guys, and like, look at that. That is so nice. In the puzzle erasers, then you have, look at these erasers with the pencil sharpeners and the grips, and then they have the bracelets. My son loves these things. I should get some. Then they have these. These are awesome, guys, for party stuffers. Here's the ink pads, the 3 colors, and then these are the stamps. This is adorable, guys. And then they have the stamps with these. You're so awesome. Great job. Okay, and then here, guys, is the dry erase activity blotter. And those kind right there. These guys are $7. Guys, we have this. This is a math kit, magnetic counting maze. Okay, that's $3. And then they have one in this star shape. Then they have this one. Isn't that adorable? This is a wooden balance game. I like that. And here, this is wooden balance games. I like these kind of games, guys. And look at this one. This one here, the brain teaser, is $3. So then they have these, the building pieces. These building pieces, guys, are $3. Then they have the math kit, the felt money. This is not, is this felt money? Lacing shapes. And this is the school, but lacing shapes, how cute. They have so many nice felt games and books. Guys, these are magnetic numbers. Those are $3. And look at this, the chalkboard blocks. Those is a 12 count. You can get them in black or in white. Then you have these. These are the juice container holder. This is a neat idea, guys. This is a neat idea. So those are $1. And then you come over here and you have their napkins. It says, have a great day. Isn't that nice to do? Put in their lunch boxes. You're one of a melon. What's the white one say? Napkin notes. Bento box. So those guys, those are $3. These lunch pouches right here, lunch bags, those are $5. So we have some metallic color pencils. Those are $3, guys. Then you have the brush tip markers. Those are $3. Then you have the oil crayons. The erase passport. Those are $3, guys. And then these tray bins right here, those are $3. And then down here, guys, these are, they're called 5-sheet interactive floor art. These are $3. So they have multiple kinds in here, guys. That's pretty neat. And then this is activity cubes, 2-count activity cube dry erase. So those are $3, guys. And on the bottom here, you have the reversible sign for $5. And look at these. These are so nice. Guys, these are the magnetic letters. Look at them, the polka dot ones, and there they are in black and white. Those guys are $5. And then here, last days of the year, the teacher and the favorite subject. Those are really nice, guys. And here the chalkboard easels. Those are $3. So these guys, I believe these are $5. Here it is in the apple. Then you come over here and you have the 8 sheets and 16 papers each. Okay, that, I think that is, doesn't have a price, but I think that's $3. So then you come over here and look at this. This is the canvas hanging bag. That's $3. Then the teachers tomorrow leaders. I like that. That's $3. Those are pretty neat. Work hard and be nice. These are adorable. And then look at these monster hooks, guys. Look at these clips. This is stuff and this is to do. Then they have these kind right here for $3. And then they have these. I like these. Aren't they cute, guys? A little message symbol. Then they have 100, let me see, repositional stickers. Those are $3. Then these guys are the utensils. Those I think are $1. They have a banner here that says celebrate, guys. And let's see, those are $3. And then here's the memo clips in the white with the multicolor handles and in the blackboard. Those are $1. These are, oh look, Star Wars stickers, 140 stickers. This is Star Wars. That one over there is Trolls. Here's the Trolls one. Those are cute, 140 stickers. Then you have some sippy cups over here. So these sippy cups, guys, are $3. Here, guys, you have your felt books, the Busy Book. These books right here, guys, are $3. Aren't they adorable? They are so cute. Then you have some Frozen. This is a notepad, a blank sketch pad. That's $3. You have your pencils up here, all different kind. Those are $1. And look at this, some more of these sketch pads. Isn't that adorable? Then you have the Trolls and Star Wars. These are so nice. So these are color activity books, guys. These are $1. Here's some more of the pencils. Down here you have the little tiny postcard travel booklets right here. Okay. Let's see. Oh look, the fitness activity tracker. Okay, so here you have some more activity books, and then you have some of those zip pouches. Then over here you have your foam dice. Those are $3, guys. And then here you have your journals, your blank journals. $3, guys. Here you have some cards. These are the learning cards. Here they're $1 also. And here's the Mr. and Mrs. cards. I still think they're absolutely gorgeous to craft with. I hope they're not doing away with it. It seems like they are. Look at the arrow. Isn't that adorable? And then the table numbers, guys, you can save so much money here. So we have some planner stickers. These are really nice. You are enough. Good things take time. Make it count. I like those. So they have different kinds of this kind. I think the sayings are the same, just the style and the colors are different. Yes. Then they have some of these. What are these? These are storage organization wired desk accessories. So those are $3. Then this rock over here, make it count. That is $3. Then here, guys, I have the document envelopes, guys. Those are $3. And look at this. Look how cute this is. And it has like a marble background. These are $5. This is a desk organizational tray. I'm loving this. Look, things to do. $5. And here's the menu sign. Isn't that adorable, guys? I like that. I like that for my own kitchen. $5. And then look at these. Here's the calendar. I don't know why I'm so obsessed with these things lately. And then this one, welcome to our home. And then I'm loving this wooden, I like that wooden baskets. That's $5. Here's some more of the wooden baskets down here, and I'm loving these trays. Look at this. So these are $5, guys. Aren't they adorable? I love them. So they have them in the round, and they have them in the triangle. And those are $5. Bins here for makeup. These are nice makeup. They're nice and big. And then look at this one. They even have it in my marble. Oh my goodness. Guys, I could have used that. That is so nice. That's $5. So these are $5, and then they have this kind. Guys, they have this kind, isn't that? And it's a 2-pack. So these are $5. Look at that. I'm loving that peach color. That's gray. And then here they are. Well, this one over here is a little bit bigger. That one is $5. And I'm loving this color, guys. This is the color I love. Then you have the bins also in that color. Here, okay, you have your water. Now these are plastic. They do look like glass. I love it. These are $3. Then you have your soup. Your soup mugs go with the flow. That one doesn't say anything, and that one doesn't say anything. So those guys are $3. Okay guys, thank you for coming with me to Target to take a look at their Bullseye playground. I will see you guys in another video.